This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deanna Davis. Looking for the perfect condo? Maintenance, free living in this immaculate, move-in ready 3-bed, 2-bath 1-car garage and highly sought-after community just outside of Viera. Open split floor plan west/high ceiling and a private balcony overlooking the lake. Chef's dream kitchen west/42 cabinets, granite countertops, breakfast bar and stainless steel appliances. Master suite features a private bath and spacious walk-in closet. New roof in 2018, plenty of room for storage. Extra storage shelving built in garage. This is the perfect home for an investor, first-time home buyer, or someone looking for a vacation home. Beautiful heated community pool, cabana and playground. Low HOA fee. Pet-friendly, hurricane shutters. Perfect location minutes from 195, the Beaches and Viera. For more information, review the details below.